What up, my fellow Slayers? It's Caleb, and
we are inside of our little garden thing.
So this is like a vlog. We're in our backyard.
Yes! Go!
But I'll edit this.
Right here.
Sorry, we had to edit that out, guys. My sister had a little bit of trouble, but now it's all good. Hey, our pet. His name is Squirmey.
He's a little soft little caterpillar. He's eating right now. I put him at his kitchen table.
Yeah.
I don't think he wants to eat. Come on, little guy.
Squirmey's really good.
What are you doing? We're holding him.
Here's my niece, Naomi. You shouldn't be in this video.
Yes, I can. No.
That's why. Right. So there's a reason we came out here, because the tree has something, a deep secret behind it.
Let's go, guys.
And we're about to show you.
I gotta be careful not to step in video.
Alright, so you're walking. There's something terrifying behind the tree. Where is it still here? Look, it's still here. Oh my God, look at it. It's a grave. Alright. We found this earlier. Okay. Careful. 1, 2, 3. It's a dead bird. This is a dead bird. We found it. Must have fell off this tree or something. It's disgusting.
They showed it to us yesterday.
Yeah, we found it yesterday under this tree, and
it fell out the nest and fell.
Yeah, I think there's a nest somewhere up there. I'm gonna circle around the tree. Tell me if you see a nest. I think that's a nest right there. Right there.
Yeah, I think that's the nest. I think that's the nest. That's the nest.
There's probably 10 more nests. So, that was a crazy vlog. Found a dead bird. Yeah. That was one crazy vlog. We still have our pets. Squirmey.
Ariel took him inside.
Wait, what did it? Tablap. I'm gonna get you. I'm back. I'm gonna edit this out for a second. And she put it right here. She put our caterpillar, Squirmey, what she calls Caddy, right here. Squirmey. There's Squirmey.
Where?
Right there. Be careful. Don't step on Squirmey. He's gentle. He's dead. Wait, is it? He's scared of the dog. Where is he? I can't find it with the camera. Can't find him. No. Squirmey.
It's right there.
I'm trying to find him with the camera. Alright, wait, I just saw him there. There we go, Squirmey. Alright, so I'm going to pick this thing up. There we go, Squirmey.
We hold it like this and then it just swirls my hand.
You're scared of him?
Yes!
I'm zooming in on your face right now. Ew. Okay. Oh, look. He's hanging on. He's getting ready to hang on something. Look. No, he stopped. It looked like he was getting ready to hang on to it. Like, hang on to this bit and
He's
then...
gonna turn into a butterfly.
Not now. It takes like 3 months for him to turn into a butterfly.
Yeah, it takes 6.
Now.
You put it in your hand, and then I'll put my hand next to yours, and then I can
leave it alone.
All right. One of my hands.
Leave him alone.
Wait, Nana has to hold him. Okay, go ahead. No. Put your hands in front of mine where he's crawling. It's okay.
Scared.
It's okay.
Face your fear. He's not creepy. Look. He'll love you. Hurry. He's going to fall. Don't just stop it. Don't force her to hold it.
Scary.
Just set him back on his tree. Set him back on his tray. On our next vlog, we might be able to actually go on our neighbor's trampoline.
But it scared me. That's why I just touched him a little bit.
Put our banana. He's back on his tree. Where should we? Alright, so we have a pet Squirmey that actually...
I'm going to kill it.
No, don't you dare.
Nana,
I will kick you.
It's family now. It's Squirmel wins, right, Taylor?
Uh-huh. I look like a Minecrafter.
You have too many wins.
This is Minecraft in real life, bro. Ow.
You're scared of him. He can't feed of him. His name is Squirmel Wins.
I look like a Minecrafter. Oh, he's back on his thing.
He's a grown-up. Squirmel Royal.
Hey! It is not Squirmel Royal. Squirmel Whims.
I got my play shoes on.
Squirmel Whims.
It can be on your hands because you're doing cartwheels.
She's good at gymnastics. She goes there.
I am too. Watch and learn. I don't even have this on. Okay. What? My gun.
Everyone like that?
Wanna be mine? Ha, ha, ha.
Oh, girl battle. I don't think you did that on purpose.
I did.
Oh. Aren't you going to do something about it?
Brandon, what? Randall. I could
Good.
do something better than that.
Like, look, I'm shaking my head right now.
Where is he?
Back on his tree. He's on his tree. Let me show you.
Not.
What? He's on his tree.
I don't see him.
He just sometimes comes off to get some food. Stop it. He is on his tree. He just sometimes comes off to get his food, okay? Cause when I checked this morning, he was gone, but he was just getting food. So he's probably in the grass. So don't stand in the grass. What?
Oh my God! I don't even have to have a stand. I could just say yeah on my cartwheels. And this is pretty. He's over there, dude, because caterpillars can't move. I'm not finished mine.
Who wants to teleport to the front yard?
Hello? Are you listening to me?
Let's teleport to the front yard. Woo! Yo! Whoa! Whoa! Here. We're here. Okay. We teleported to the front yard.
Where's Squirmey?
He's in the backyard. He's eating. He's eating. He is eating. My finger's always in the way of the camera.
Ow! Okay. That she can't do this on the gymnastics. Let me show you mine.
Nope. Hey, that.
Okay. One, two, three, she can't do this on the gymnastics paddle. Well, watch this.
That's nothing. You just did one cartwheel. That's it.
Simon! She can't do a candlestick!
Do it in the grass. You might get hurt.
Hello! Candlestick! Yes, I can do that. I sure can do that. Prove it.
This is one weird vlog. Why am I doing this? I'm just gonna check the mail like a normal person. Crap. No mail. Alright. That is all for this time. If you enjoyed this weird video, please leave a like and comment. I will see you next time. My fellow Slayers. Where's the button?